Y'all, I had loaded this pistol, had it with me hunting the other day. 45 caliber. Y'all seen this gun. I got me a pumpkin sitting on top of that post. Let's see if we can hit it. Missed it. All right, I went and I filed this down just a little bit because since I put this new sight on there, I hadn't even shot this gun. I had loaded it and took it to the woods with me just for nostalgia. So Uncle Sasquatch had made me a powder measure of 30 grains. And my flintlock don't really like 30 grains, but y'all, it's gonna work good for this pistol. So this is my homemade powder. It ain't the best powder in the world. It's a little bit fine. And I put it in one of these orange tannin solution bottles. But I wrote homemade black powder on it. Put that back in my pocket. All right, I hadn't shot this pistol a whole lot, so all right, we got all the powder dumped in there. Where's my ball? I'll put them in this pocket. It's taking me a second, y'all. Just bear with me. Put that down in there for a split second. My patch knife is my pocket knife on these occasions. I got a good patch knife. I don't always have it when I'm out here today playing on Thanksgiving morning before we go to eat. I just wanted to shoot this old gun a few times and entertain some of y'all. So put that in there. Now let's ram this ball home, because y'all know once before I have shot a gun, my flintlock, and didn't ram that ball home. Everybody told me it was gonna blow up. I don't know if I believe all that or not. All right, I got it all the way down in there. Now I had to go over there and shove it down on the stump. Now let's see if I got an old can of caps that I don't take to the woods, because some of them, the primer has fell out of them, and some of them's them little old red toy caps I throwed in there. These is about shot up. I'm trying to finish them up out here playing. All right, we loaded up good. I adjusted my sight because we hit on that stump. I hit below the pumpkin on the post. Let's see if we can hit it this time, y'all. Oh, no. No. That's why if you're a trophy buck hunter, you don't probably like to hunt with black powder, because you gonna let some get away. I ain't got another cap in here with the stuff. Yeah, dude, there's one. May have to shoot them toy caps, reckon. We got a piece of it that time. Let's go look. Well, this is always interesting. Find that patch still burning. See it smoldering? Now you need some char cloth. Go look at that thing. Look, oh, I gotta get over here in front of the camera. Look at it smoldering. You gotta be careful with that stuff out here. It's damp this morning, so it ain't gonna hurt nothing. Old ball went right on through it, look. Didn't do a whole lot, just kind of made a hole. But what if that was your gourd up there like that? It'd have a hole right in the eyeball. All right, anyway, thank y'all for watching a little short video shooting old musket. Oh, I like this little old pistol. It's fun to tote. I thought about it. I wished I'd have turned that sight the other way, because it's good shoving it down in a belt, but whenever you need to come out with it, that sight hangs. If I'd have turned it around the other way, it'd have right on out, quick draw. Thank y'all for watching Spirit of the Outdoors. We'll see you next time. Remember, the best way to do things is the way you like to do it. We'll see y'all. Happy Thanksgiving.